And there are another two functions I need to tell everybody. First one is this. You can see below the function panel, there's one cover. We put the cover, making two things. One is this one. It's the filter to remove the dirty things in the air, to make sure the oxygen we intake is clean, not polluted. So this the filter is just you change every 3 months. But if your local air condition, the air quality is good, you can change longer time. Okay, we put it in the original position. The second one is this one. Is the water holder. The water holder function is the one cover in the top. If the air is too dry, mean the less humidity you intake, you can put some clean water in here. After you put in water, you press the cover. The water inside you made oxygen you intake is moisture, so make you more comfortable. So this is these two things inside this machine.